Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Dyson V7 Absolute is probably one of the most versatile and powerful cordless vacuums on the market, designed to tackle every cleaning task with ease, from quick spills to deep cleans, making it an indispensable tool for any modern household seeking efficiency and superior performance in maintaining a spotless living environment. Number 5. Dyson V8 Absolute Cordless Stick Vacuum. Experience the freedom of powerful cleaning without cords. This vacuum offers exceptional performance for a spotless home. Its lightweight design makes cleaning effortless, reaching every corner with ease. Switch between floor types and above-floor cleaning in seconds. Breathe easier with its advanced filtration that captures allergens and expels cleaner air. It traps 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction on a single charge. Perfect for quick cleanups or whole home cleaning sessions. Keep it charged and ready to go with the included docking station. Storage and charging are made simple and convenient. Designed with powerful suction and intelligent features, it tackles dirt and debris effectively. Make cleaning less of a chore and more of a breeze. What we like? This model offers robust suction power and a cordless design, making it ideal for quick cleanups. If you're looking for a reliable everyday vacuum that offers flexibility without the hassle of cords, this is a great choice. What people say. The Dyson V7 Absolute is lightweight and easy to maneuver around furniture. It comes with multiple attachments, including a soft roller cleaner head for hard floors and a direct drive cleaner head for carpets. The cordless design offers great freedom of movement, making it convenient for quick cleanups and whole house cleaning. Number 4. Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum. Introducing the Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum. It's designed to tackle dirt and debris on all your floor types, from hard floors to carpets. Its advanced cleaner head deeply cleans your floors. It also cleverly detangles long hair and pet hair, so you don't have to. With 3 included attachments, you can clean every nook and cranny. Reach high places, low corners, and everything in between with ease. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction power for your cleaning needs. It offers 2 power modes for everyday tasks or intensive spot cleaning. This lightweight vacuum easily converts to a handheld. It's perfect for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery. The specialized hair screw tool is engineered to quickly suck up long hair and pet hair. Its anti-tangle brush bar makes cleaning pet beds and car seats a breeze. What we like? It features advanced detangling technology, perfect for homes with pets or long hair, and provides up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction. If you need a vacuum that tackles pet hair efficiently and can transform into a handheld for various cleaning tasks, consider this one. What people say. The Dyson V7 Absolute is a lightweight and maneuverable vacuum cleaner, making it easy to clean various surfaces and reach tight spaces. It comes with multiple attachments, including a soft roller cleaner head for hard floors and a direct drive cleaner head for carpets, providing versatility for different cleaning needs. The cordless design offers freedom of movement without being tethered to a power outlet, and the battery life is sufficient for cleaning most homes on a single charge. Number 3. Dyson V8 V7 HEPA Filter and Motor Cover Replacement. Tired of noisy and inefficient vacuuming? It's time to enhance your cleaning experience. This replacement set is designed to significantly reduce noise and boost filtration performance. Upgrading your vacuum is simple. Just open the back, swap out the old sponge pads for the new motor cover, and install the filter. Ensure the logo faces upwards for a perfect fit. This set is specifically designed for Dyson V8 and V7 Motorhead, Car Plus Boat, and Trigger cord-free models. Please note, it is not compatible with V6, V10, V11, or DC series vacuums. Crafted from premium materials, these replacement parts ensure efficient and long-lasting performance. The filter is even washable for continued optimal use. Maintain peak performance with ease. The filter can be washed in warm water with mild detergent. Just remember to let it air dry completely before reinstalling. The rear cover generally doesn't need removal after installation. Upon receipt, please inspect all parts for completeness, including the rubber O-ring, before proceeding. What we like? This is a replacement filter and motor cover designed to upgrade your existing vacuum's performance. If you want to improve your vacuum's filtration, reduce noise, and ensure it runs more efficiently, this upgrade kit is for you. What people say. The Dyson V7 Absolute is a lightweight and powerful cordless vacuum cleaner that excels at picking up both fine dust and larger debris from various surfaces. Its versatile design allows for easy conversion into a handheld vacuum, making it ideal for cleaning cars, furniture, and other hard-to-reach areas. The vacuum comes with multiple attachments, including a soft roller cleaner head for hard floors and a direct drive cleaner head for carpets, ensuring effective cleaning across all floor types. Number 2. 6-pack vacuum filter replacement kit for Dyson V7, V8. Ensure a perfect fit for your Dyson V7 and V8 cordless vacuums. This kit is designed to seamlessly replace parts #965661-01 and #967478-01, providing optimal performance. Get more for your money with this comprehensive kit. It includes 3 post-HEPA filters, 3 pre-filters, and a cleaning brush, all made from FSC-certified paper. Experience superior air quality with advanced HEPA filtration. It effectively captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. Maintain peak performance with ease. These filters are washable and reusable. Simply ensure they are completely dry before reinserting. Replacing your filters is a breeze. Just twist off the old one, insert the new filter, and lock it clockwise. We recommend replacing them every 2 to 3 months. What we like. This kit provides multiple HEPA and pre-filters, capturing 99.97% of particles for cleaner air. If you own a compatible Dyson model and want to maintain peak performance with easily washable and reusable filters, this value pack is an excellent option. What people say. The Dyson V7 Absolute is a lightweight and maneuverable vacuum cleaner that excels at picking up pet hair from various surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. Its cordless design offers great freedom of movement, making it easy to clean stairs, cars, and hard-to-reach areas without being tethered to an outlet. The vacuum comes with multiple attachments, such as a mini motorized tool and a soft dusting brush, which are effective for cleaning upholstery, delicate surfaces, and tight spaces. Number 1. Dyson V7 Advanced Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Experience powerful Dyson suction in a lightweight design for quick cleanups. Best of all, it's completely cordless. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of fade-free power on a single charge. The power trigger conserves energy, ensuring it only runs when you need it. Our motor bar cleaner head deep cleans all floor types. Its hair removal vanes effortlessly clear long hair and pet hair from the brush bar. This vacuum is incredibly versatile for quick cleaning needs. It easily converts to a handheld vacuum for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery. Breathe easier with advanced whole machine filtration. It captures 99.99% of particles, dust, and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. Engineered with 15 cyclones, it maintains powerful suction. This ensures your vacuum never loses its cleaning performance, capturing fine dust effectively. Rest assured with a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support. We're here to help you get the most out of your vacuum. What we like. It boasts advanced whole machine filtration and a design that ensures no loss of suction, all in a lightweight package. If you prioritize maintaining consistent power and capturing allergens effectively during quick cleaning sessions, this model is a strong contender. What people say. The Dyson V7 Absolute is a lightweight and powerful cordless vacuum cleaner, making it easy to maneuver around the house and tackle various cleaning tasks. It comes with multiple attachments, including a soft roller cleaner head for hard floors and a direct drive cleaner head for carpets, offering versatility for different surfaces. The cordless design provides freedom of movement without being tethered to a power outlet, and the battery life is sufficient for cleaning medium-sized homes on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.